Flooding, however, occur in the GHMC and other municipal areas in the state is becoming a serious problem which needs tackling not only on short-term but also long-term basis. And urban flooding action needs to be drawn up through the Telangana State Development Planning Society and the State Disaster Response Service Department in the coordination with the Irrigation, Transport, Road and Building and Municipal Administration and Urban Development Department, sir. Sir, I'm concluding, sir. Before concluding, sir, I would like to give some few suggestions, and I hope that the government takes a note of the suggestions which I am giving right now. So the Telangana needs to have a robust flood management policy. Flood management policy, as floods are becoming frequent phenomenon in the state, sir. Sir, and also, sir, the important thing which we all need to understand is that कि पहले जब बारिश होती थी साहब तो इतनी मकदार में नहीं होती थी जितनी अब हो रही है, और जो भी डिजाइनिंग है चाहे वो स्ट्रॉम वाटर्स के हो तो वो एक कैपेसिटी को लेने के लिए डिजाइन है, लेकिन अब जो बारिश हो रही है बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है. So we need to have a flood management policy and redesigning, because the rains what the world is seeing, not only the state of Telangana or our country India is seeing, is far more and excess rainfall हो रहा है. और फिर आप देखते हैं urbanization, sir. Urbanization के वजह से sir everywhere everyone wants a lovely beautiful road, everybody wants a CC road, everybody wants a nice road. तो जो ग्राउंड्स थे, जो जमीन थी, वो आज खुली नहीं रही है, इस वजह से भी डैमेजेस हो रहे हैं. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सर, आप भी शहर हैदराबाद के, आप जानते हैं सर इस बात को, और इस बात से इनकार नहीं करेंगे कि ईसा नदी और मूसा नदी दो नदियां थे. ईसा नदी और मूसा नदी, ये दो नदियां बारिश के पानी के लिए बनी गई थी सर, और ये दो नदियां बारिश में फुल दिखती थी, बहती हुई पानी दिखता था. लेकिन आज जब हम ये ईसा और मूसा नदी को देखते हैं तो साल के 12 महीने में वहां पे बह रहा है कुछ. तो क्या बह रहा है सर? द प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट्स हियर. स्ट्रॉम वाटर ड्रेन्स शुड बी सेपरेट सर. ये आज क्या कर रहे हैं सर, पूरे शहर हैदराबाद में सीवरेज को लेकर आके स्ट्रॉम वाटर ड्रेन्स में मिला रहे हैं. नॉट ओनली इन हैदराबाद सर, all over the states, I would say sir, in municipalities, towns में बड़े बड़े strong water drains में they are mixing the sewerage sir. तो इस वजह से भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. And one more sir, one more important thing is that कि they are not taking out the silt sir. अगर मैं बोलूंगा मूसा नदी, ईसा नदी या strong water drains की भी जो silt होती है, silt नहीं निकालते. And sir, one more most important thing sir, let us see that what was the real capacity of the big reservoirs when they were constructed, and what is the reservoir capacity now. The reason is that sir, not only they are not maintaining the gates, बल्कि तालाब जब सूख जाता है तो उसमें से भी मीठी और सिल्ट निकालना है, वो भी नहीं निकालते हैं सर. This is the reason I'm saying sir, the Telangana needs to have a robust flood management policy, as floods are becoming frequent phenomena in the state, sir. The state needs to adopt both short-term and long-term measures to effectively deal with prospects of increasing flood intensity, sir. Flood intensity is increasing, so we need to have a planning, sir. They should proper flood risk mapping for better formulation of plans and measures, sir. So there is an urgent need of extension of comprehensive flood forecasting network, sir. This is a very important point, sir. Flood forecasting network, sir. Sir, we have seen that few private people on social media are giving real-time updates about the forecast. We can seek their services and engage a team of experts to improve our forecasting system, sir. 2 दिन जबरदस्त बारिश होती है और उसके बाद में हम बोलते हैं कि और 2 दिन होने वाली है, चलो बंद कर दो, स्कूल्स बंद, सब बंद, उसके दूसरे दिन बारिश ही नहीं होती है. So sir, that means that the weather forecasting is not being done properly. Sir, going further ahead, sir, the flood forecasting should improve through the use of hydraulic and hydrologic models, sir, which are linked to the weather forecasting system the real-time data acquisition system and the reservoir operation system, sir. Sir, we need to understand that due to global warming, the state's flood vulnerability zones are also changing, sir. Sir, I was reading an article and I was very surprised, sir. Sir, मैं एक अखबार में पढ़ रहा था, sir, कि एक आर्टिकल एक्सपर्ट सिविल इंजीनियर्स ने कहा कि अगर जोरदार बारिश हैदराबाद में अगर होगी, जैसा दूसरे रियासतों में हो रही है या मुलुगु में जैसी हुई, अगर वैसी बारिश अगर हैदराबाद में होगी, तो 30% ऑफ हैदराबाद्स बिल्डिंग आर in danger because of such rains. So these are the serious measures, sir. When we have a discussion, we should take the measures, sir. Sir, also, sir, we have to develop a special flood-prone area program similar to the drought-prone area program. Drought के लिए हमारे पास program होता है, sir. Now the floods are coming frequently. Through you, I request the government to please have this flood. We should have this flood का भी एक 4 लोगों की एक कमेटी बना के देखिए, ड्रॉट प्रोन को जैसा देखते हैं, ये फ्लड प्रोन एरियाज को भी we should identify and see that, sir. Sir, we have developed the state should also undertake legislation to prevent unauthorized riverbed cultivation and encroachment into drains etc. also, sir, which is not happening, sir. Sir, हम देखते हैं शहर में, सर, हम यहां ठहर के एक दूसरे पे तनकीद करते हैं, सर. बट आई वुड से, सर, कि ये हम सबको एक मैसेज पब्लिक को भी देना है कि स्ट्रॉम वाटर ड्रेन्स में प्लीज आप कचरा मत फेंकिए, स्ट्रॉम वाटर ड्रेन में आप वेस्ट मत फेंकिए. व्हाट वी सी इज दैट, सर, इन द स्ट्रॉम वाटर ड्रेन्स वी सी पिलोज, वी सी बफलोज, we see all waste, we see all kachra, everything is getting choked, sir. So we need to bring that awareness also, sir. Sir, we have seen in the past that flood management works are not taken up, and in an integrated manner, even the flood damage assessments are not done adequately, sir. There is also need to have disaster management plans for all major dams, sir. This is very important, sir. There is also need to have a disaster management plan for all major dams in Telangana and equip them with risk-reducing processes. And also, sir, with increased effects of climate change, they should be focused on development of community resilience in flood-prone areas. Activities which damage the environment and increase the vulnerability to flood should be checked, sir. So also, the restoration work should be taken up in coordination manner wherever heavy rains and flooding occurs in GHMC area. SNDP, SRDP, CRMP works are implemented, and the Hyderabad Metro Water Supply and Sewerage Board take up the work on augmentation of sewerage and water supply networks, sir. Since the civic infrastructure under different departments is affected, these agencies need to work in a